Oh my god. Holy shit. Okay.
There you go. And push. Push. Okay, a little pull there.
Hello everyone, what is happening? Welcome back to another video. In this video, we are going to see a very famous adult film star Chloe Temple getting chiropractic adjustments. Make sure to watch the video till end. Let's begin.
Let's see. That's probably perfect. Cool. And then do body like you're laying in bed. Place your head there. And then I'm gonna have you kind of look over your shoulder this way. Other way. Yeah, perfect. And then we'll bring that here. I'm gonna switch you this way. And there we go. Perfect. Cool. You feel comfortable here?
Mm-hmm.
Sweet. You can do a little push here.
Oh shit. Oh my god, it feels so good.
That was a big
Again.
One. Whenever you're ready, flip that way.
Damn.
That was easy. That was needed.
So good.
Alright, and then we'll scooch you this way. And then switch the hands there. Go ahead and look right over that shoulder there. Alright, and you feel comfortable here?
Mm-hmm.
Good.
Oh my god.
That was so easy. You don't have to do anything. It's ready.
That's nice.
Good. And then you can lay on your back. Good. And then we're going to get into the upper back here. Go ahead and tuck your chin down to your chest. Good. Let all the air out. Good.
Holy shit. Oh my god.
We got a few more in there. Tuck
Oh
the
my
chin
god.
down.
Okay.
There you go.
Oh.
Right.
Oh
That's
my
so
god.
easy.
Holy
Go ahead and
cow.
skip. Really relax there.
Okay.
And push.
Oh my god, what the fuck? Oh my god. Is that normal? Holy shit.
That's
okay.
perfect. And push.
Mm.
We almost needed somebody to grab your feet. Alright, we're gonna adjust everything else. All the other things. Sorry.
Oh shit. Ow.
I know these hurt sometimes. We'll cut those out. These are some sweet socks. Zoom into those guys.
My fuzzy socks. Oh, that's good. You can take the shoe off if you need to.
You're good. We might just to show off the socks.
Okay.
Sorry, we're going at the wrist one more
That's
time.
okay.
Don't hate me.
Just do it. Just do what you gotta do. Oh god. Ow.
It's like a good hurt, maybe,
Yeah.
or maybe just a
It's
hurt.
definitely
Go
very
ahead and sit
crunchy.
down through here, and we're gonna do a pull up here. And same thing on this side. Cool. I think this.
That is it for today guys. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to hit the like button, and if you are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.